Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix weather app not working on iPhone. If your iPhone's weather app is not working, where we know of a few quick fixes that will get it up and running again. Here is what to do to get the weather app back on its feet. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force-cut the weather app. For this, open the app switcher on your iPhone by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe up on the weather app to close it. Then reopen the weather app to see if it's working correctly. If it's still not working, it's worth checking the system status page to make sure it's not a widespread issue as Apple's forums. And the next step is check Apple system status page. Head over to the Apple system status page. Green means good to go, red means the server is down, and you are done. If everything looks green on Apple's end, you may want to check your internet cellular data connection. So the next step is check your internet connection. First, check the status bar and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi cellular connection with more than one bar. If you do, and you can use other internet relevant services without issue. However, if you notice a weak connection, you can start your internet router, try to improve your Wi-Fi or move to a different location or for cellular data, and you are done. And the next step is disable your VPN. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on status toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is check if steady location services are enabled. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Next, tap on location services at the top. On its toggle button to enable it, and you are done. And the next step is enable background app refresh. For this, launch the settings app, scroll down and go to general, scroll down and then tap on background app refresh. Choose background app refresh. If you want apps to refresh using Wi-Fi only, select the Wi-Fi option, and you are done. And the next step is hard reboot your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is disable low data and low power mode. For this, go to settings and then go to your Wi-Fi or cellular data which is connected, and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected network. Next, scroll down and then tap on low data mode toggle button to disable it. And now go to battery option, tap on it and then tap on low power mode toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is manually add your current location. For this, open the weather app and tap on the hamburger menu. Tap the three dot icon and select edit list. Search and select your current location and then tap on add at the top. Once you manually select your current location in the weather app, also do the same for the weather widget, and you are done. And the next step is remove and add the weather widget again. Tap and hold the weather widget and then choose remove widget. Next, tap on remove again to confirm, and after that re-add the widget again on your screen, and you are done. And the next step is reinstall the weather app. Tap and hold the weather app on your home screen. Now tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. After deletion, open the App Store, go to search tab and search for weather and tap the blue iCloud icon beside the weather app icon to install it. And the next step is reset location and privacy settings. In case you are still unable to use a weather app or widget after trying out all other fixes, resetting the location and privacy settings on your device is the last thing that might help you resolve this issue once and for all. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset location and privacy. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix the issue of weather app not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.